Why -1 times -1 is 1? Before we answer this question, we first need to understand, what is -1? -1 is called the opposite of number 1. For any two given numbers x and y, we call they are opposite to each other. If x plus y is the same as y plus x equals to 0. To say -1 is the opposite of 1, that means -1 plus 1 is the same as 1 plus -1 equals to 0. Often, if we skip this plus sign, we write 1 plus -1 as 1 minus 1 equals 0. This is consistent with arithmetic operation. Generally, we define x minus y, just as x plus the opposite of y, means plus -y. In order to show that -1 times -1 equals to 1, we change our viewpoint. We can show that -1 times -1, in fact, is the opposite of -1. That means we need to verify -1 times -1 plus -1 equals to 0. To verify this identity, we observe that -1, in fact, is equal to -1 times 1. So -1 multiply -1 plus -1 is equal to -1 times -1 plus -1 times 1. Now we apply distributing rule. We have -1 multiplies -1 plus 1 inside the bracket. Since 1 is the opposite of -1, we know in the bracket it equals to 0. Therefore, that is -1 times 0. That equals to 0. This verified that -1 multiplies -1 plus -1 is 0. By the definition of the opposite number, we conclude that -1 times -1, in fact, is opposite of -1, that is 1.